Allow me to flex.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Akini Name. Let's go there. Okay, I don't know where this smile is coming from because just now I was boning. Anyways, guys, I just went to the National Identification Management Commission, like where they enroll people. I went to confirm the exact wrong date of birth because it's needed for my affidavit, and I'm heading to the bank now to go and pay the 15,000 naira that I'm supposed to pay for them to change the date of birth. But that's not the case. That is not what I'm doing today. Today I want to take you guys along with me to Kado fish market. Yeah, a fish market here in Abuja. I want to take you along with me, and I want to start the vlog here because after paying the money at the bank and getting my affidavit, I'm heading over to the fish market. So I just wanted to start the vlog here now that I'm still looking bright and fresh and all of that before the stress starts telling on me, because I'll first go to the bank, come back, eat at the mama puts here. Maybe I'll do a video of that, go and get my affidavit before going to the market. So I'll already be looking tired. And yes, I'm going to be redying my hair today too. So there's a lot of things going to happen in this vlog. A lot of things are going to happen in this vlog. So you just want to stay tuned and see the market, the Abuja market, and dye my hair with me. Dye my hair with your baby girl. I'll start rocking my blonde hair again. Let's go, guys. Wadimao, just take a look at. Anyways, guys, the food costs $1. Yeah, you heard me right, 400 naira. Actually, it was supposed to be 500 naira, but I told the woman that she know how she would do it to make it 400 naira for me because I didn't have 500, and I just felt like it's in that combo. Guys, can you see how I was enjoying myself, enjoying my beautiful self? Fish market. Now long Gabi. How much? No be 150. Now wow, what's happen now? Now before you say? Wow. So guys, quick heads up. I'm currently at Wuse Markets. Yeah. Wuse Markets, Abuja. I came to get like some tailoring materials. I want to do an Ankara haul, so I came to get. Oh my gosh, I forgot to get lining. I'll probably get it in my neighborhood. I pray they have this color. So I came to get lining. I want to do an Ankara haul, and I want to make few dresses for the haul. And my money is almost exhausted, but I saw my favorite sausage. Can you guys remember my sausage from my $1 street food in Abuja? Yeah, I got the sausage, and I'ma eat it now. Come and join me, guys. It's so hot today, like it's hotter than that first day, and it's so soft. Markets. So guys, this is the entrance, and this is the signboard.
What do you want back? The video of fish.
So the cash on me the day I went to that market was already exhausted. I was not with cash again, but I didn't know what to do, and I really wanted to vlog, so I still came to the market. I still went to the market, and I approached the fish seller to ask for the price of fish, even if I didn't have money, just so you guys will have a clue.
Yes.
Sorry, I beg, I want to ask, how much will this fish?
Down. 6,000.
Jesus. 6,000. problem, don't worry, I will come back. Only with me has finished. I didn't want to come to the market again, but it's because I've already opened the vlog that I came. Is this a locust beans? Yes. How much is it?
15 naira for one.
Okay, please give me one. You don't have normal pepper that is not this yellow pepper. Okay,
Unless the
give me
grinding one.
No, just give me the locust.
You have
beans.
change.
Let me check. I should. It's all 15 pepper. Guys, please, how is this guy managing to touch his pepper with his full chest? Jesus! I always avoid touching red pepper. Like I use nylon to cover my hand when I want to touch red pepper, or I just use the knife and the chopping board because it will just pepper me all through. Only they all know that I don't have shishi here. It's not comment to buy anything. In fact, this locust beans and this thing and pepper that I bought. I did not have intention to buy it, but I just said let me buy it so I can put it with rice. So people, if at this point you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube algorithm remember me. Okay guys, so I went to this other corner of the market and I discovered that there was another way to go out and come in of the market at this point, and the whole place was looking so dirty, a lot of refuse and all of that. Anyways, I went through that place and I saw a school there, and the place is kind of slopey. Yeah, it's kind of slopey, just like the backyard way of entering into the market. And there were the suya guys, people selling suya and all of that. To be honest, this market was below my expectation. Yes, when I heard Kado fish market, I was expecting that if I enter the market, it will be strictly fish. That even if there will be other things, just few things, but it's just like a normal market. Although they sell fish feed too, I'm still going to show you that part. It's still in this vlog, but at the later part of the vlog. And they sell agric fowls here. I don't get money. I don't get money for chicken. Which big lie? Then they write money for head. I don't get money. I just call you a concert market there. I don't hear fish market. I can't come around concert. I can't survey. I don't get money. How much is it? So guys, this catfish was just calling my name, although I don't know how to wash catfish, and I asked them and they said that they could wash it for me there in the market. This is a closer view of the catfish. But guys, I wanted to transfer because they said it was 800 naira for one. That is about $2 for one, and that is quite cheap because where in my neighborhood is around 1.5 or 1.2 that you get one catfish. I wanted to buy it, but the girl said she does not take transfer, that the person handling transfer was not around, and that was why I didn't buy it. But at least I was able to ask of the price and show you guys. And these were people offloading frozen products from a trailer, maybe a truck. Yeah. And they have a lot of people that sell chicken feed, fish feed. This is a shop where they sell scales. This is catfish feed. These are pumps, pipes, taps, hooks, all of that. They have people that sell all those. Like if you want to become a fisherman, this is the market for you. This is a perfect market for you. And I went to a place where they sell fish feed. This stuff looks like crayfish, but it's not crayfish. It is kind of bigger than crayfish. And I asked the people there, they said this particular one is not for human consumption, although they have the one for human consumption. Well guys, that was it. I walked out of the market. This is like the exit, the place I entered through. I walked out of the market, and that was how I didn't know my way home, because that was my first time of going to that place, and it was easy to get a cab coming here from Wuse Market, because at Wuse Market you just be hearing fish market, Karmo fish market and all of that. But I later found my way home. I later got a cab and I entered the cab and I was on my way home. So people, I just dropped down from the cab and I'm in the neighborhood. It's even drizzling. Gosh, and my battery is low. I am so tired, like I am effing tired. Ha! in this life, just make money. Just make money. Like, I can't wait to make money. I can't wait to make money and have my car so that all these things, at least to be stressed from driving around, no stress from trekking. Hey, if I tell you how I've trekked today, if I tell you how long I have trekked today, thank God for this my legs. So I don't trek. If I tell you how many are long, how many cabs I don't enter today, you no go believe. On top of this NIN and going to fish market to vlog and all of that. But I'm almost at the Barber'S place. I'm entering the streets now. Fast Barber'S, my people. Good afternoon. Fine, good afternoon, my friend. Good afternoon. Please, I want to dye my hair. You collect more money from me today. I don't have money. And that good. Let me sit down here. You collect 1K from me, Abby? Eh? Why? This is it today. This is the only day I have chance.
Okay, give me your number. Let me go and collect that.
Where are you going?
To go buy the dye.
Oh.
I was finished.
How long will it take for you to go and buy it? Hey, let me sit down and wait now. Before I trek home and come out again.
One eternity later.
So guys, if you listen to the discussion I had with the barber when I just got to the place, you would know that he told me that he was rushing to go get the dye because he didn't have it at the moment, and he told me to relax. And you know that I slept for like an hour and woke up and he was not yet back, and I had to call him and he came back and we started the process. And this was when I covered my hair waiting for the dye to work. Yay, our dye has worked. See my fresh hair. Oh my god. Yeah. Guys, after doing everything, I now got stuck again. I got to this place around past 2, but by the time I left here, it was already past 6 or a bit to 7. God, I suffered on this day. I left home with the boss. And I still got home very late. Okay, people. I forgot to close the vlog when I came back. I just started gisting. After gisting, I went to wash plates. I ate a full plate of rice and vegetable, curtsy blessing. I took one small chair exotic like that I got from work yesterday, and I feel so full, and I've been gisting. See me smiling, and I was so stressed. Today was so stressful. Like, I've just been stressing myself these past weeks. I need a vacation. I seriously do. I need a vacation somewhere on the Bahamas or in Paris. Or in Dubai, at least, at the very least, you get. I'm currently in Blessings Room and I want to close this vlog. Thank you so much for following me on this journey. Thank you for all your love and support. And I'ma see you all in my next video. Bye.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Surprise you on Dara's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dara's vlog. Please subscribe to Dara's vlog.
Dara's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Dara's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dara's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dara's vlog on YouTube.